Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Excelsior. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the new camera options added in our latest version. We'll start by dropping a 3DM file to set up an example. Let's change the metal to yellow gold and choose an ambience we like. Now our model is ready for rendering or creating videos. Next, let's go to the new camera panel. As with everything in Excelsior, it's very easy to use. There are 4 stock cameras in the library, and simply clicking on one will apply it to your scene. It's that simple. Choose a camera and use the Take Picture button to make an instant render. Now let's see how to save your own cameras for reuse. First, position your model as you like. Then click the Save Camera button. A new preview will automatically appear in the Saved Cameras panel, and you can use it just by clicking on it. Let's quickly create another camera. Choose a position you like and hit Save Camera. As you can see, it's very easy. These saved cameras will be linked to your user account when you enter the editor, so you can reuse them with other models. Let's render from this new camera and drop in another model to see how it works. Here's the new model. Go to the camera panel and simply click on any saved camera to render. Now we can open the renders we've just created and see how the camera views are consistent. This allows you to maintain camera consistency across multiple models. One important thing to keep in mind is that you need to know which pose you're using in your models so that the camera fits properly. For example, if you place a ring in a horizontal position and then use a camera that was designed for a vertically positioned ring, obviously it won't match. If you now save new cameras for the horizontally placed ring, you'll be able to reuse them easily later. Let's drop in another model and test how the saved cameras work. For cameras that require a horizontal position, you'll need to go to the Pose panel to set it before applying the camera. Finally, if at any point you want to delete the cameras you've saved, just drag them to the trash bin icon. Set the pose back to vertical to restore the default view, and we're done. That's all for now. See you in the next tutorials.